A lot of the questions this week involve some pretty complicated formulas, and since we're not interested in trying to go back and rework where these formulas come from, just go ahead and grab them. The way you can get the formulas really quickly is by clicking the Help Me Solve This button in the top of the MyMathLab window. That's how I was able to grab the formula in a nice, easy to work with format here. So we're supposed to consider a student loan of $12,500 at a fixed rate of APR. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is the principal. Okay, this is the starting amount. We have APR of 0.12. Make sure to use the decimal form of the percentage. And then time, let's see, is Y in their formula in years. So that's what we're going to want to plug in. Oh, sorry, and they don't use R in this case. They use APR down here. So I wrote R, should have stuck with how the formula is doing it. N in this formula is the number of times we compound. So it's the number of times per year for payment, I guess is a better way of saying that. It's monthly, so N is going to be 12. So with all that information, we can plug it into the formula. Now the problem is this is just like a really brutal computation, right? Hard to type all this in. So I'll pull up another window and I'll show you how I type it in. $0.12. We have 12%. Yeah, 12%. N is the number of times we pay, so it's monthly, so 12 times a year. And then Y is the number of years, so I'm putting in 25 up here. Okay, so I'll pull up another window, show you how we can calculate this. The window you see on the left is the calculator I've used in other videos, the Desmos calculator. So if I'm going to plug things in, it's got to look exactly what we see over here. So let's just start like this. I typed in 1, I typed in the slash key for division, or you could hit the fraction key somewhere around here. I made the top part of my fraction, the bottom part of my fraction. So there's the 12,500. We got 0.12 divided by 12, just like it's supposed to be in the formula. I feel like there's supposed to be an exponent there, but it doesn't say it. Okay, and then we divide that by 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12. And then to get to the exponent part, I'm going to hold shift and press the 6 key to get that caret symbol, which lets me get to an exponent. And now this part, you've really got to put a parentheses, okay? The start and then the open and close parentheses to keep that all in an exponent. There it is, $131.65. Let me see, so we got $131, I forgot actually, I forgot already. $131.65 for the monthly payment. We need that for the next part because the part B says the total payment over the entire term of the loan. Look, it's $131.65 for 12 months of the year for 25 years. So if we multiply these three together, it's $39,495 that we're paying out in total. Oh, I don't want to write it. 39,495. Of the total payment over the term of the loan, what percent is paid toward the principal? What is paid towards interest? So the principal is $12,500. So the percent, this is the total amount we paid. So the percentage is found by taking the number we're interested in, the amount we paid towards the principal. Principal is $12,500 divided by the total, and multiplied by 100 to move that decimal 2 places to the right. So the percent of the loan that goes towards the principal, the percent of our payments that goes towards the principal, is 31.6 nearest tenth. So 31.6 is where I'm going to round that one. 31.6% goes towards the principal, and so that means the other, 100% minus 31.6% goes towards interest. So for our interest, 68.4% of our money goes towards interest.